Good afternoon, students. Today we will see the benzene and its derivative. Introduction of that benzene and its derivative. What are the benzene? Uh, what are the characteristic of benzene? What is the general physical and chemical properties of that benzene? How the structure is formed? What is the different theories? What is the different discoveries? It will be uh, studied by today's lecture. Okay. Let introduction. In this introduction of benzene, uh, if if we say benzene means we we in front of your eyes you can see a ring which having alternate single and double bond. Single and double bond means this is uh, actually rule of some aromatic compound. Generally those compound we are studying for aromatic characteristic of compound, that term we always remember that the property should be the property should have the single and double alternate bond in the ring. Okay. Then benzene is one of the most important organic compound. Organic means it's containing carbon containing compound. Aromatic properties are those which are differ from aliphatic compound. Okay, which are the different what are the aliphatic compound and what are the aromatic compound? Aliphatic compound means most of the compounds which are the straight chain compounds. Some cyclic compound is there which having aliphatic compound, but mostly they are straight chain compound which is called as aliphatic compound. Whereas for aromatic compound, it having the cyclic structure, having carbon alternate single and double bond. Okay, this is the main characteristic of aromatic compound. Okay, means benzene is simple organic aromatic compound. Okay, then most of the synthesis and in most of the synthesis of preparation of solvents, preparation of medicinal products, generally benzene it has been used in that cases. Okay, means benzene is a parent molecule. For that purpose benzene can act as a parent molecule. From this we can synthesize n number of molecule like polystyrene, that is some synthetic nylons and etc. Okay, it has physically gasoline odor and colorless liquid. This is the some physical properties like colorless liquid and gasoline like odor. Benzene belongs to carcinogenic class material. Okay, carcinogenic class material means what? Carcinogens means those agents which can cause cancer. Okay, means when we are exposing with benzene a number of time, that what will happen, our tissue get contacted with that benzene and it will cause the cancer. So it is very dangerous for us. So it falls under carcinogenic agent. Okay, then as earlier we are studying, like benzene can be used as a starting material for n number of material synthesis. Okay, next we will see the discovery of benzene. Okay, discovery of benzene means here when benzene is discovered, who are the scientists that he has introduced benzene as a new molecule in the market, like, okay, the benzene is derived from benzoin. Actually benzoin means gum benzoin. It is a natural gum benzoin from which benzene can be synthesized. Okay, means firstly the benzene is derived from gum benzoin, one of the gum. means it falls under cognostic study. Okay. Then Michael Faraday first isolated and identified benzene in 1825 from the oil residue. Okay, scientist name Michael Faraday. He has discovered in 1825 from oil residue, means from oil residue he has separated that benzene and named as benzene. Okay, as means one of the new organic material which is isolated from that oil residue. Next, year 1845. Year 1845, Charles Mansfield isolated benzene from coal tar. What? Coal tar. You must be knowing that coal tar. From coal tar, it has been synthesized. The benzene means separated out. Isolated means separated from that coal tar and named as a benzene. In which year? 1845. The name of scientist was Charles Mansfield. Charles Mansfield. He has discovered or he has isolated benzene from coal tar. This is the discovery of benzene. Okay. Next point is the properties of benzene. Properties of benzene means benzene is a soluble in organic solvents and benzene is immiscible in water. Benzene itself having one organic solvent. Benzene is nothing but the organic solvents which is soluble in organic solvent, means which solvents like ether, acetone, ethanol, a number of organic solvent, means in that it can be soluble, means it is soluble. Then and benzene is immiscible in water, and which is immiscible in water. Water is inorganic. H2O means inorganic. Okay. Generally, one rule is there for with respect to this organic solvent. Like dissolves like. Like dissolves like means what? Means some organic compound having same carbon hydrogen bonding. So it can be dissolved in carbon hydrogen bonding. Like means benzene is a cyclic structure, aromatic structure, ring structure, but it can be soluble in ethanol because it contains carbon hydrogen bond in that molecular formula. So this is the one rule. Like dissolves like. Okay. Second one, it is colorless liquid and has an aromatic odor. Benzene has a colorless liquid. Okay, this is colorless liquid like water. It looks like water, but has an aromatic odor. Aromatic odor. Next one, it has a density of 0.87 gram centimeter per cube. It lighter than water. Density, how much density? 0.87 gram centimeter per cube. Okay, and what is the density of water? Density of water is 1. So benzene is lighter than the water. So it when we will mix the both compound benzene and water, actually it is immiscible, but benzene it will be on upper phase and water is at the lower phase. Okay. Then next, benzene has a moderate boiling point, that is 80.5 degrees Celsius. How much? 80.5 degrees Celsius boiling point. Okay. One rule is there. If the if there is a structure is complex, then molecule boiling point or melting point is always high. Okay. Then next point is it is highly inflammable and burns with a sooty flame. Highly inflammable when it comes in contact with heat, it can be explosive. It makes explosion and burns with sooty flame. Burns with Sooty flame means in Marathi like kajadi. Are you heard about that? Like that. Then next one, benzene is highly toxic and carcinogenic. As I earlier said that what is meant by carcinogenic and how much they are highly toxic. Okay, next part is structure of benzene. Okay, structure of benzene is like six membered ring, cyclic ring, which having alternate single and double bond. Okay, you can see in the notes also. Okay, definition of aromatic compounds, that any study of their chemistry must begin with the study of benzene. Means whenever comes aromatic compound, then we always remember that the benzene ring. Okay, generally most of means compared to other compound, benzene's physical and chemicalist properties are widely studied in the any as far as organic solvent concern or aromatic compound concern. Okay, understanding of benzene structure is very important in our study of aromatic compound. Okay, to understand the benzene structure is very important, and you should know the how the structure is formed, how the structure is developed, which are the history, what are the history, how they are undergoes in different phases. Which scientist has studied deeply, which scientist said this is a different theory. Likewise, means how the structure is formed, it is very important, so we will study step by step how the structure is formed and how they are developed. Likewise, okay, then we will study molecular formula, isomer number and Kekulé structure. This is the what molecular formula. What is the molecular formula? What is the isomer number and Kekulé structure? This is for development of benzene structure. Okay, first one, benzene has the molecular formula, which one? C6H6. C6H6 for benzene molecular formula. From its elemental composition and molecular weight, benzene contains 6 carbon atom and 6 hydrogen atom in the structure. Okay. See, what is the molecular formula of benzene? C6 and H6. C6H6 means it is nothing but the structure of benzene. But how the structure is formed? What will be the probable structure? This will see in the step by step. Okay, you can see in the notes how which are the different structure. Here some possible structure of benzene are the given. Just look at this notes. You will understood which is first one, which is second, which is third, which is fourth, and which is fifth. Okay, what is this? In the Roman notifications, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the some possible structures of benzene. Okay, you can see in your notes. First one is what? First one is Kekulé formula. Kekulé formula means C6H6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have numbered the ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see in the structure where I noted 1, 2 in the ring. 1, 2 having carbon double bond. 2, 3 means carbon number 2 and carbon number 3 having carbon single bond. Carbon 3 and carbon 4 having carbon double bond. Carbon 4 and carbon 5 having carbon single bond. Carbon 5 and carbon 6 having carbon double bond. Okay, means you understood that this structure having what alternate single and double bond. Okay, in the first means you also understood that sigma and pi electron. Sigma means which are the sigma electron, means sigma bond, carbon in between carbon and hydrogen, sigma bond, or one of the carbon carbon single bond, there is a sigma bond. If carbon carbon double bond, there is pi bond. Okay, these are the some basics. Okay, in the Kekulé formula, actually you have seen it, what is Kekulé formula. Then see in the next structure, number 2, Dewar formula. The scientist Dewar formula, probably this means Kekulé formula, this some theories, these are the some theories of different scientists like Kekulé, Dewar. Means they have different prediction regarding this benzene, depend, might be their logic of their own scientist, own their thoughts. Okay, in the second structure, Dewar formula, you can see in the structure carbon carbon C1 C2 C3 C4 C5 C6. Okay, then C carbon 1 to carbon 2, there is a single bond. Then carbon 2 to carbon 3, there is double bond. Then carbon 3 to carbon 4, there is single bond. Then carbon 4 to carbon 5, there is a single bond. Then carbon 5 to carbon 6, there is a double bond. And also in the carbon 1 to carbon 4, in the middle, means just symmetry. Symmetry means half portion equal to mirror image each other, like that. Means carbon 1 to carbon 4 also having the single bond. This is the prediction of whom Dewar formula. Okay, this is the possible structure. We are not confirm about which is the final structure, but first one Kekulé formula we have already seen. Second one is Dewar formula, means Dewar thought that this will be the possible structure. Okay, next third one, in third structure. Okay, in Roman third structure, you can see this is the 5-membered cyclic ring. 5-membered cyclic ring, you can see C1 C2 C3 C4 C5. okay, carbon hydrogen single bond. Then at position 2 number, carbon 2 then one substituent is attached there, double bond, C2 double bond with CH2. Okay, this may be the possible structure. Means this all structure having what is the molecular formula, C6H6, but this is different structure. These are the different structure. Maybe we are studying like how the benzene is developed. Maybe what are the some possible structures of benzene, like that. Okay, next you can see in that notes Roman 4. What is the structure? Actually it is straight chain, 6-membered straight chain. What is methyl group? First methyl group, then carbon carbon triple bond, then carbon carbon single bond, then carbon carbon triple bond, then carbon carbon single bond. Okay, this may be possible structure. Okay, this is fourth one. Then fifth one, same, like somewhat different from fourth, but it is also straight chain carbon compound. Okay, these are the some possible structures of benzene. But in this case, before that, isomer, you should know the isomer. Isomer means, what is the isomer? Isomer means same molecular formula, but different structural formula. Means here we are we have seen total 5 structures, 1 2 3 4 5. In that 5 structures you can count the carbon and hydrogen atom. What will be the result? C6 and H6. But there are different in structural formula. Means first structure is different, second one is different, third one is different, fourth one different, fifth one different, etc. Okay, but from structure first to fifth has same molecular formula, but the Kekule structure was accepted. Which one is accepted? Kekule structure is accepted. Why Kekule structure is accepted? Some different assumptions, some different reason is there. We will see one by one. Okay. You can see in that notes, Kekule structure of benzene was one that we would represent as below. You can see in that notes. First one is cyclic benzene ring, alternates double and single bond, or that is which is represented like separately hydrogen carbon bond has been shown in the second structure. You can see that 1 2 carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6, then carbon 1 2 carbon 6 having double bond, then carbon 4 to carbon 4 in between carbon 4 and 5 having double bond, then carbon second and carbon third having a double bond, that is alternate single and double bond. All the carbon to carbon bond in benzene are equivalent. Actually all the bonds are equivalent to each other. Okay, means there is a symmetry or alternate single and double bond. Then benzene has a hexagon with an inscribed circle. Hexagon means they in the benzene structure there is a total 1 2 3 4 5 6 angle is there. Okay, total 6 angle is there. Then you can see in that structure ABC, that is resonance structure of benzene. Okay, in A ring, you can see in the A ring there is, I have shown the arrows like in the bond from carbon number 1 to 2 is shifting where 1 to 6. Okay, I have shown that arrows. Also you can see in the carbon bond between 5 to 6 which is shifting like in between 4 to 5. Likewise bond between 3 and 4 carbon atom which is shifting where 2 to 3 carbon atom. Means this can be happen, and this is the resonance of that benzene. Okay, also structure is B, we can represent like B also. Then we can represent the structure of benzene like C also. There is a 6 pi electron. Okay, in the C structure, which is what, the electrons are revolving in that ring. Okay, you can show C structure also. Then the inner circle indicate that the valence electrons are shared equally by all 6 carbon atoms, that is the electrons are delocalized or revolving in the ring. What is the actually our perfect word for that? In this for C structure, the electron are means all valency electron are shared equally, but the electrons are delocalized. Electrons are delocalized means they are revolving in the ring, means they are revolving in the ring. Likewise. Okay, next one. Each carbon of hexagon is occupied by carbon attached with single hydrogen atom. Means in any benzene ring, what will happen? Each carbon atom is attached with one hydrogen atom. Okay, any other atom or group of atoms substitute for a hydrogen atom must be shown bonded to a particular corner of the hexagon. Okay, means if there is any replacement means in the benzene ring one hydrogen, it can be replaced with any other substituent, then it can be shown by bonded to the in which corner the substituent is attached. Okay, you can see in the structure the 6 bond lengths are identical. The 6 bond lengths means carbon bond length are identical, means they are similar. What is the length of that carbon length? the 1.39 angstrom or 139 picometer. This is the unit. Angstrom or picometer is the unit for that bond length. Okay, what is that bond length? In between carbon carbon double bond, 1.39 angstrom or 139 picometer. You should keep in mind that what is the bond length, because it is very useful as far as MCQ is concerned. Second structure is orbital structure. We can see in detail at the time of we will study that orbital structure and all. Okay. Next one is the benzene is a flat molecule with every carbon and hydrogen atom lying in the same plane. These bonds are designated as a sigma bond. Okay, this is about flat molecule. In the second structure I have shown some means orbital structure. So in that orbital structure, what is there? Hydrogen and carbon atoms are lying in the same plane. Okay, then each sp2 hybridized carbon in the ring has an unhybridized p orbital perpendicular to the ring of which overlap around the ring. Okay, that is also we can study in the orbital structure of the benzene molecule. Okay, the 6 pi electron are delocalized over the 6 carbon. As earlier said that the 6 carbon atom are delocalized or they are revolving in that ring. The benzene yield only one monosubstitution product. Only one monosubstitution product means when benzene is all carbon atom are in the benzene is equivalent. So when benzene is reacted with any other compound like HBr, then with with amino group, nitro group, then what will it will gives only one product like nitrobenzene, then aniline, phenol, bromobenzene. What is the limitation is there? Limitation is there because all hydrogen attached to the benzene ring, in the benzene ring they are equivalent. So if any one hydrogen is replaced with that substituent group, it will form only one product. Okay, because all hydrogen atom are equivalent, so it will gives you only one product. Like means benzene reacted with nitro group, it will gives nitrobenzene. Benzene reacted with aniline, it will gives aniline amino group, then it will gives aniline. Then benzene reacted with hydroxyl group, then it will gives phenol. Benzene reacted with bromine group, it will gives bromobenzene, etc. Okay, these are the some basic or some introductory part of that benzene and its derivative. Remaining we will see in the next lecture. Okay. One assignment for you for today's lecture. You should write the discovery and physical and chemical properties of benzene. What is the question for assignment? Write the discovery of benzene, first one, and second one, write physical and chemical properties of benzene.